morning. We are here at Toyota Santa Margarita. They have a 4x4 event, RSVP. With the RSVP, we got ourselves a bag.
A swag bag.
Swag bag. And we got extra raffle tickets because we RSVP'd. We didn't walk in. So this is us right here. Right now, they're just starting up the event. Yeah. They're having another barbecue right here. And they got the registration thing right there. And it's what's this ARB stuff? I think they're the only ARB store here in Southern California, I think. Yeah, so that's cool. This is what we need, guys. We need a boulder.
Oh, we need a boulder.
This is a boulder right here. So what's in the bag?
Oh, we got a TRD shades.
Oh wow.
It has a TRD.
TRD. Maybe we should change our Ford grill to or RTR grill to a Toyota.
We have a Toyota lip balm.
Cool.
Keychain.
Sweet.
Another keychain. Toyota keychain, and then a phone ring.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then obviously
we got a free oil change. We're gonna have Denso parts in the Ford Bronco. Maybe it'll get more reliable. I don't know. But anyways, here is the TRD Pro. Wow, this is nice. BBS Forge rims. Damn, this is nice.
That's super nice.
BBS is nice. So this Toyota is actually America and Japan right there. Assembly plant is in USA. Look at the suspension on this. Wow, this is nice. Look at the fenders.
It's like texture.
It's like carbon fiber with the TRD Pro. Oh, look at the interior too. Sweet. So this is what the Raptor Fighter with panoramic sunroof. Oh yeah, forgot. This is how the bed looks like right here. And look at the grill right here. Oh, even has aluminum skid plates too. Oh wow. TRD. This is nice. All right, so this is the walk around on the new Tundra. And this is all the specs that comes with it right there. Oh, cool, it gets 19 miles a gallon. Oh crap, it gets better than ours. Right now we're pushing 17.1. So this is how, let me just zoom out, there you go. So this is how it's like. Yep. Oh crap, it's Fox suspension? Yeah. Oh shoot, hold on, let me zoom in. Oh wow, it's Fox, cool. It is like the Raptor. And I just noticed too, look at their lower control arms. Look how thick the lower control arms are. That's cool. Oh, look at, is this a sway bar? Yeah, this is a sway bar right here. Yeah. And then over here is, we got a, what year is it? Probably 2022, 2023, I don't know. But it's pretty new. And look at this Tacoma, all ARB'd out right here. Wow, this is so nice. Man, look how big this is.
Oh, it's winch ready.
Oh yeah, that's right, winch ready. Cool. Sweet, and we just did a winch installation too. Cool. Oh wow, this one's nice too. Oh yeah, there's the sway bar is here in the front. I forgot to mention, look at their what's this, rock sliders or side steps. It looks pretty tough. We forgot to mention, so this is our Bronco right here. We just finished doing our installation on the winch and the fog lights. And we are, let me zoom out. We are parked next to this original Toyota Land Cruiser, and it's a diesel too. And it has a Smitty built winch that's covered right now. Man, look how OG this is. So we got our modern Bronco and an original classic Toyota Land Cruiser. This is how it looks like turning around. Oh, cool. It has even the chairs. Oh, crap. It's right-hand drive.
I know.
Oh, shoot. Straight out from Japan. Even has a roof rack too. That's cool. And oh, it has mud terrain tires from BF Goodrich, of course. This is nice. 4-wheel drive. And then of course they got the Tacoma Baja runners. I was gonna say racers. Here, let me zoom in right there. So that's that. Nice. So we're inside their showroom, and wow, this is nice right here. Oh wow, original classic Toyota Land Cruiser. Oh, they even got the old emu shocks right there. That's so cool. With the BF Goodrich. Oh wow, this is nice. With their Smitty built campsite. Genuine Toyota parts. Oh cool, look at their cafe too right here. Sweet. Toyota Racing. This is cool. And then this is their parts right here. That's nice. Oh, they have the Toyota grill. You think that'll fit the Bronco? We'll just change it. We'll just swap it every time there's a Toyota meetup. Oh, cool.
Oh, that's so cool.
They got this. Oh, sweet. Oh, crap. 449. Oh, shoot. We're now here in the front of the event or the dealership. So this is how it looks like. And here's their stock Tundra right here, or F-150, I guess. Oh, cool. This is off-road ready with their Michelin tires right here. And this is their Tundra Platinum right here. Wow, look at this grill. That says Tundra. Wow. Nice colors too.
Yeah.
Cool.
Black.
Yeah. So this is the Platinum package. Oh, wow. This one gets 20 miles a gallon. Crap, this one gets better than ours. Oh my gosh. Here's the 1794 edition. I have no idea what happened in 1794 still. I know what happened in 1776, but not 1794. So this is it right here. And this one gets 20 miles a gallon, and it's leather inside. Here, let's see if I could, so that's cool. Wow, nice.
All right, guys, look at all of this lineup.
So we got ourselves some free food here. I got me a free donut, free pancakes, and sausage right there. So that's what they were barbecuing earlier.
Yeah.
And then she got the same thing too. Oh, you got this kind of donut?
Yeah.
All right, that's cool. And then of course, I got me a free coffee right there. So this is all the cars right now here. Oh, that's a nice front bumper Baja style kit right there. And this is all it right here. There's our Bronco right there, right next to all the Tundras. And then here's a cool Lexus right here. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. Whoa. That's the Drift Master right there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, this Toyota was here last time when we were here. The rock crawler. There's one Jeep here with KC lights. So we got a free shirt right here. Only one problem. We don't have any addictive desert design.
I know.
They got cool bumpers though. We
Yeah.
almost went with them. Yeah, so maybe if we want to change our front bumper next time, maybe
Yeah.
we'll get theirs.
Yeah.
They make awesome Baja style bumpers.
Bumpers,
For the Bronco,
yeah.
and for other car brands.
Yeah.
So sweet, cool.
Cool.
She got one too. So it's raffle time. She has our raffle tickets. Hold on, let me zoom out. She has our raffle tickets right there.
Santa Margarita Toyota.
Let's go check it
We
out.
want to say thank you to the community that's here. You guys are family to us.
Woo.
I'm going to give a shout out to, this is 2.5, 3 years of new ownership here in your neighborhood if you're from here. If not, and I'm going to give a shout out to the chef who cooked today is the owner
Oh, wow.
of this facility. So give him a shout out, please.
Woo! Oh, the owner right there, guys.
Marcelo.
That's the
Amazing.
owner.
We care about having a heart for others and maximum effort, but that heart for others.
Oh, what's our ticket?
510. Come on up. Thank you. Congratulations.
No. Okay. Congrats to that dude right there.
4
Prize number 2.
026519.
Nope.
026519.
Nope. Guys, I'm already happy that we got a free shirt, so I'm cool.
And free food.
And free food too. There's the free food right there.
Next up, we have an adventure light, an ARB adventure light.
Ooh.
Ticket number 026375.
375.
Yay, we won it! Woo! 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 Yes, we won something. Yeah. We could put it for a Bronco now.
Yay.
Oh, is this a flashlight? Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Heck yeah.
Weekender recovery kit.
Weekender recovery kit.
374.
374.
374.
Oh crap, we won again. Woo! Oh man. Damn. Yay. Woo. Damn. We can hear that lottery ticket. I know. Oh man, Mrs. ARB right here. Wow. Oh man. Cool.
I have everything now.
Yup.
Ticket 505.
Woo. We got 2 prizes right here. Sweet. Cool. And we also get a free oil change. So here's some of the rigs right here. Here, I'll zoom in now. That's leaving out.
Something. Yay! So we're now heading back to our car and head up. It was a great turnout though. So thank you so much,
Toyota
Santa Margarita. Yeah.
So here we are. This is the jack stand, ARB jack stand. Our newest ARB light. I don't know how that one works yet. Our ARB weekend recovery kit. Our ARB flat tire recovery patch. And of course, the jack.
The jack.
Yep. All ARB.
I know.
And we have Warren now too.
I know.
Cool.
And then we have our sticker right here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There you go.
So we're here at Crystal Cove, and we got ourselves some cool drinks, and then we're just sharing a sandwich because we're still kind of full from the
Yeah.
event. We actually got it here at the butchery, which is down there, and then this is our view of the Pacific Ocean, or in some places a giant lake. So there's, oh yeah, and there's our Bronco right there, and then all right, let's eat. Oh yeah, let's show them the sandwich.
Yeah.
What did we get? The Italian? Ooh,
Yeah.
it's already cut in half.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's open it up. Let me see. Oh, there you
Oh,
go.
wow.
Wee. All right, let's do this. BBS is nice.